Hello and welcome to week 9 of Introduction to Linguistics. This week, finally, we are moving up the chain of linguistic units rather than down. Right? You'll remember that we started in the in the middle, right? Since language is at its most basic level a kind of connection between meaning and sound. Uh, we started in the middle, which are lexemes or lexical items, basically words and set phrases, expressions that are in memory and express some kind of meaning. We then looked at morphology, how those units are grouped together. We recognized the morpheme as the smallest meaningful unit in language, which can be expressed sometimes through different forms, different morphs. And so when there are alternative forms for a morpheme, we call them allomorphs. And those allomorphs, or morphs, are made up of individual sounds in memory, individual phonemes. So we looked at phonology and the organization of sounds. And phonemes, like morphemes, can sometimes be realized by different phones. A phone is an actual speech sound produced by the human mouth. um, and in some cases, there's a different pronunciation for a particular phoneme depending on the phonetic context in which it appears. And those alternative phones are known as allophones. And then we looked in more detail at the phonetics of those allophones, or phones, and saw that individual speech sounds are themselves constructed or built from smaller units, from phonetic features that can be combined together into particular combinations to create distinct speech sounds. Well, now we're going to move up above the level of the word and begin to look at how words can be combined together to create meaning, meaning that extends beyond the meanings of each individual morpheme or even each individual word built from morphemes. Words are generally expressed as parts of phrases and phrases as parts of sentences, allowing us to express a wide range of meanings. Some of the meaning comes from the particular combination of words. So we want to understand the principles for grouping words together into phrases and sentences, and for how that contributes to meaning.